Microsoft has confirmed a serious issue with the Windows January 11, 2026 security update, KB5074109, that may prevent some PCs from booting properly. After installing the update, some systems fail to start and show a black screen error with the stop code unmountable_boot_volume. Microsoft says the device cannot complete startup and requires manual recovery. The issue affects Windows 1125H2, Windows 1124H2. Microsoft says the problem is limited to a small number of physical devices. Virtual machines are not affected. KB5074109 was released on January 13, 2026 and is a mandatory security update that installs automatically. It fixes nearly 100 security vulnerabilities, which is why most PCs received it. How to check if you have it? Go to Settings, System, About and check the build number. If it shows 26200.7623, the January 2026 update is installed. What to do if your PC won't boot? Microsoft says Windows Recovery Environment usually fixes the issue. If recovery fails, a clean Windows reinstall using an ISO may be required. If your PC is working fine, there's nothing to worry about. But if your system stopped booting after the January update, KB5074109 is likely the cause. Microsoft is still investigating. Subscribe for quick and clear Windows Update news.